Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's episode, I will be making hoppers. I recently made hoppers at the festival of Sri Lanka held in New Zealand. Everything done my way. To make the hopper mixer, add salt, sugar, baking soda and the breadcrumb to the rice flour and mix well. Add coconut milk and then gradually add coconut water to get the consistency of the hopper mixer as you can see in the video. Keep the hopper mixer covered at room temperature for 6 to 8 hours to rise. Grease the hopper pan lightly with oil, then place on high heat. Use a ladle to pour the hopper mixer about 60 ml into the heated hopper pan. Swirl the hopper pan around to make sure the hopper mixer touches all sides of the hopper pan. To cook the hopper, cover with the lid and keep for 2 to 3 minutes. Cook until edges are golden brown. Serve and enjoy.